everybody, and welcome back to In the Middle of Ahia Treats. Today, I want to share with you guys how I use Bird's MAMEY hairspray in a hair mask. Like I do it every other month. During the whole time I was using the MAMEY, I noticed that my hair kept more moisture. And also, this is the first time ever that my hair touched the ground, okay? So I'm not saying Bird's MAMEY made my hair grow long to where it touched the ground, but I'm saying it grew to the ground during the time I tried using her MAMEY. So it's been about 8 months. So there you go. But let's get to showing you guys how I make this mask. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's start with these ingredients. The thing is, my hair is really long, so these are the measurements for my hair. You guys could, play with it a little bit, but this is pretty much what I use. Here we have some rice water. This is about 2 to 3 cups. I don't even know. And this is roughly around like 4 tablespoons. Bird's MAMEY. Right here. So the thing, I don't use that much of her MAMEY because it's kind of pricey, but still yet I think it's doing its job just as long as, I use it sparingly. It's like a little bit of gold. Okay, so egg, 1 egg here. Sometimes I use 2 eggs. Yeah, but my chicken only went push out 1 today. So there you go. I got some mayo here, whatever kind of mayo you got. And then I have about half a cup of organic coconut oil, guys. This is coconut oil. So what I'm gonna do is put them all in a bowl, right? Well, actually, I'm gonna strain this out first, right? And put it all in a bowl and mix it up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my hair. So let's go mix it up right now. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like you're making a custard pie. I don't know if you guys made a custard pie before, but it looks like this. So now we're gonna put this all over my head. Okay guys, so it might get messy, so I had to come outside. I kind of wanted to do it like outside on the gravel, but it's like raining. And it sucks. So here I have the big bowl of jungle juice. I have a plastic bag. I hope you guys, have plastic bags somewhere. I know it's illegal for states now to have plastic bags, but I hope you guys save some, like recycled it, And I also have some gloves. I got these from the kitchen gloves. These are food grade gloves for food that goes on your head. Okay, so the plastic bag, I didn't explain, but I'm gonna use this to cover my hair for the half an hour that I'm gonna leave it on for, okay? So if you guys wanna use a shower cap, but I don't know if you guys gonna wash that after. This one, I could just throw it away. So here's my gloves. I forgot to put. Let me pre-open my plastic bag. Okay, guys, so my hair, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip the whole thing and then try to get my whole scalp, and then I'm gonna put it in a bun and then put my hair up for half an hour and then rinse it out. So I do this every other month. And you know what, ever since I started using her MAMEY with all this other stuff, like I said, it grew to the ground. I fucking love it. Like I want it to grow like 6 more inches to like a foot before I trim it. So when I trim it, it's gonna be parallel to the ground. Okay guys, so this is how you dip 5 feet hair. Okay, so I start with the tip, right? There you go. Ta-da! Like, oh my god, yeah, I know, right? Oh my god, I can't believe it either. So here, I'm making a mess, right? I dip my whole head, and I smell like a cake. Okay, so now what I gotta do is actually take the rest, massage it in. You know, I have to massage it in. Yeah. See all that white stuff, it's fat. Okay, not but weird. Okay. It's easier if it was on the gravel. Now I gotta shoot this whole thing down. You guys get the whole idea, right? I mean, you put it on your head, you cover it. You got it. "30 minutes. 30 minutes, then rinse." Okay guys, it's been about half an hour. So now I'm gonna go rinse this off. Here we go. Okay guys, here we have my hair. It's nice and shiny. Yes. That's how I use Bird's MAMEY spray for a hair mask. Every other month. See? You can just run your brush straight through your hair. Thank you for watching, everybody. And try it out. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys use Bird's MAMEY spray. How do you guys use it? Aloha.